Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a Boxycharm try-on. Like, it's an unboxing slash try-on. Okay, look at Chippy, look at Chippy. Trying to eat my earrings on the little jewelry thing. Say hello, say hello. They all want to see you, Chippy. They all want to see you, cutie pie. Besitos, oh besitos, oh besitos. He's my little puppy. If you haven't met him, his name is Chip. I'll go ahead and put his little Instagram right here. Go follow him, give him some likes. He's trying to be a famous little puppy, you know? He's cute enough, right? Little Chippy. Alright, so like I was saying, today we are going to be doing a unboxing slash try-on of Boxycharm. I feel like I haven't done a try-on of Boxycharm in a long time. I did it like probably twice. But I feel like you guys like it more because you actually see the products in action instead of just saying like, hey, I got this, you know what I mean? I kind of already opened the box. I know what and what I don't have of my makeup. So I'll kind of fast forward whatever it is that Boxycharm doesn't give me. But by the end of this video, I will have a full face of makeup. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we see in the box is the little card. This month's theme says Rock 2018, so obviously it's the new year and we're gonna rock 2018, all right? I'm down for it, I'm down for it. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and use is this primer that we got in the box. It is by the brand Dr. Brand, which I'm pretty sure is a very expensive brand. We've gotten it a few times on Boxycharm, but I think it's been like skincare products like exfoliators and stuff like that, or a mask. So I'm pretty excited that this primer is in it. I'm always down to try on primers because they are the base of your makeup. So, I mean, you want really good primers to be underneath all your makeup so it can last and look pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and dot this all over my face and then spread it out. It does smell a little strong, like it smells like chemicals. I don't know if I like that. You know what I did forget to put on my face? Moisturizer. Can I put it on top of the primer? I never do that, but I'm gonna do it because I can't be without a moisturizer. I think I totally did this the wrong way, but we're gonna live with it, okay? My face is kind of burning and I'm a little scared. Let's see what this primer says. It says it's an illuminating primer. So, so it's supposed to make me glow a little bit. All right, so this primer is $38. I mean, maybe I should have put my moisturizer before to see if it was actually gonna illuminate my face. It didn't really look shiny when I first put it on. It's kind of burning me here. I don't know why. That's weird. But other than that, I mean, it felt nice. I just don't really like the smell. It smells really chemically, but is that a word? Chemically? I'm gonna pretend it's a word. Okay, the next thing in the box is this IT Brow Power Pencil. So it is a universal brow pencil, so I'm guessing it's like one color. Oh, it's taupe. This might be a little too light for me, but I mean, I guess I can make it work. I don't really use pencils on my brows just because they're so thin, so I really like to go in with a powder or like a pomade to make it thicker. But sometimes I use the Anastasia brow pencil sometimes, so let's see how this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm gonna speed this up because if not, I'd be here for 10 minutes of the video, you know? The little spoolie is really soft. I like that. So the pencil itself is really, really good. You could tell this one is filled and this one is not. I really like how easy it was and how natural it makes my eyebrows look. The only thing is the color is a little bit light for my liking. I don't like my brows too dark, but this just, it's really light. Like my hair is black. So this is like a really light brown, but I mean, I can make it work for today, yeah? All right, so both eyebrows are filled. I really like the pencil. Again, the color is just my issue, but I think, hey, I'm filming. Gotta be quiet, okay, Chippy? This is how Kathleen feels when like her dog scratches the floor. Chip is scratching my door, so this is what's going on here. Okay. But yeah, my eyebrows are filled. I really like the pencil. I can't complain. If you had this color eyebrow, it would be the perfect pencil for you. I think I'll definitely use it and just fix the color with like a powder on top. I really, really like it. I think I might get into this whole pencil thing. Is this one thicker than the other one? Did I mess this up? I think it's the lighting, because I have like a bright light right here, but then this one is not as bright and it's messing it up. I don't know what's going on here. But that pencil cost $24. I'm pretty sure the Anastasia pencil is around that price too. The good thing about this one is that the actual pencil itself is thicker, but I have the very first Anastasia brow pencil that came out, which was like the really thin one, and I don't know if I really like the really thin one. I think I'd prefer a thicker pencil brush. Alright, so the next things in the box, I kind of have to have my makeup done already. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup before I continue with the box. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my concealer, my foundation, and I set everything. And now we're going to continue with the box. So the next thing in the box is the Glam Metals Crown Pro Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this. Go ahead and take off the cover. And when you open it, ooh, nice pretty shades. Wow, this is really pretty. Oh, they're all really shimmery, so there's really no matte. So I think I'm gonna have to go into another palette just to start off like my crease, because I'm not gonna put a shimmery color on my crease. So I will be using this though. So I'm gonna get a really quick palette to start my crease. So for my crease, I'm gonna be using the Pure Soleil Diaries. I think we got this on Boxycharm too, because I don't know where else I would have gotten it from. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this color along with this color in my crease. Just a basic brown crease. You can really use any crease shade that you want. And then for my brown bone shade, I'm gonna go ahead and use Private Party from this palette as well, just because I like a matte color on my brows. So the first color from this palette that I'm going to go ahead and pick up is called The Wicked. It's kind of like this very purple burgundy shade. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna go ahead and put that on the outer corner along with my crease a little bit. So the color is very pigmented. I didn't even pick up that much, and it's going on really pretty. The mirror itself on the palette is really small, so it really only fits one eye. Like, you wouldn't be able to do your whole face makeup with this mirror, but it's working for one eye. So I kind of went ahead and brought the color all the way into my inner corner as well. So the only place that doesn't have color is right in the middle of my lid. So for the middle of my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Wild Thing. It's like a really lighter shade than the burgundy we used in the first place, but it's still in the burgundy range. And I'm gonna go ahead and place that right in the center where I was missing color. And I'm sure if I was to put Fix Plus, it would even notice more. These colors are really pigmented and creamy, so they're really easily to blend as well. I kind of want to use one more color, so I'm going to use Pop Rock, and this is going to be the color in my tear duct. You know what? As I was doing my tear duct, I realized that I could still use different colors on my waterline, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up some. I'm going to pick up Black Metal and just put that on the outer corner of my waterline. And then for the inner corner shade, I'm going to pick up Rebel. Alright, I literally look like I have a rainbow all over my eyes, but I really wanted to use all the shades so you guys can see them. Clearly, I didn't really use all of them. I kind of missed the blues, but for the most part, I used the shade, the eyeshadow palette. So, hey, proud of me because I really don't use colors like that. Alright, now that we're all zoomed out, we're going to keep on going. We are almost done here, people, almost done. By the way, this eyeshadow palette was $25, okay? The next thing in the box is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. So I'm sure it's like a highlight and a bronzer, if I could open it. Ooh, there's 3 little eyeshadows, or not eyeshadows. I'm sure there's a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. This blush looks a little bright for me, but we're gonna see what's going on, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this bronzer. It is a little shimmery, which I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Wow, it's actually a really pretty bronzer. It doesn't have glitter, it's just like, oh my god. Wow, Pure Cosmetics. I'm so in shock that this bronzer is beautiful and it blends in super nice. Wow. Wow, I really like that. That was really pretty. All right, moving on to blush. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this color. The blush I'm a little worried about because it's bright. Let's see. Yeah, it is a little bright for my liking, but I mean, it's not as bright as I thought. I really like nude blushes. I don't really like pink blushes. This is clearly a pink blush, but I don't know, I think it blends in really nicely with the bronzer, so maybe just combining them will make it look a lot more subtle on your face. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and use the highlight. Oh, wow. Dude, this little trio right now? Wow. Oh my god. It looks so good. I'm honestly gonna use this all the time, and oh my god. The only thing I really don't like is the blush, only because it's not my shade of blushes that I like. But other than that, I am so impressed. Pure Cosmetics, like wow, wow. And that little trio cost $34. It is a little on the expensive side. I don't know if I would have bought it like if it wasn't in the box, but thank you Boxycharm for giving me the little palette, because wow, I am very impressed. Very, very impressed. All right, and then the last thing in the box is this lippy by Galactic Beauty, and it is a matte lip paint in the color Demure. This little bottle is cute, so if it's that color, I'm pretty excited. Ooh, so excited. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. Definitely my kind of shade. I definitely wear colors like this if I was to ever wear lipstick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara and my eyeliner because I feel like my face looks so weird, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so that was everything in the box. That lippy, oh, I forgot I had it on my wrist. That lippy actually cost $23. This box, I don't even know how much it costs in total. Is my phone around here? Maybe I can calculate it. My phone's not around here, but I mean, a lot of these things are more than $20. All of them are more than $20, and you only paid $21 for the box. So I am not complaining this month at all. I think this is one of the best boxes that I've received. The only thing I really didn't like was probably the primer, and I think I just have to work with it more. Other than the smell, I think it works pretty good. I mean, my foundation looks really good. This freaking highlight and bronzer right now though, like that's what I'm tripping out about. That's really what I'm tripping out about. But yeah, I thought this box was really good. Let me know if you have Boxycharm. Did you like the items? Did you not like the items? Do you have another subscription that I don't know about? Because I'm trying to get more makeup, to be honest. But I shouldn't. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. There are going to be more videos coming soon. I have so many ideas for 2018. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mommy, look. Does mommy look pretty? You want to kiss my little lippies with my lipstick? Say bye. Say bye, Chippy Chippy. Oh, my little baby. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.